Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the second router supports repeater, bridge, or WDS mode. This determines configuration steps. Once done, plug your computer into the router with an Ethernet cable so you won't lose access during setup. Make sure to note the main network's SSID, password, Wi-Fi channel, and the primary router's LAN IP range. You'll need those values to avoid conflicts and match wireless settings. Then log into the router's admin page, using its default IP and credentials to begin. You now assign a static LAN IP to the extender inside the primary router subnet, but outside its DHCP pool, which prevents address clashes. Next, disable DHCP on the extender so the main router issues addresses, and decide whether to use the same SSID for seamless roaming or a distinct SSID to identify the extender. Make sure to set identical security type and password to the main network. If manual channel selection is required, choose the same channel or a non-overlapping one to reduce interference. You finish by enabling bridge, repeater, or WDS mode on the secondary router and applying the settings, then reboot both routers to establish the link. Once they are online, place the extender halfway between the primary router and the weak signal area to balance throughput and coverage. If you don't see improved connectivity, check for IP conflicts, confirm security type and password match exactly, and update firmware on both devices. Those 3 checks solve most issues quickly, and resetting and reconfiguring can clear persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.